Futures trading live ain't no joke. Let me give you a tip for all new traders, for all beginning traders just getting into futures trading. So what you can do, especially with NinjaTrader, on NinjaTrader, anywhere on the price chart, you can just right click, go to properties, go down till you find, you want to find horizontal line, choose a color, okay? And then I'll go with white. And then on the vertical line, I turn that one to transparent to take it off, because all I want to do is have horizontal lines. The reason being is I want to find out what the distance is of 1 point today, so I know how volatile the market is, okay? So after I put the line on, excuse me, I think I need to click on this axis, right click, go to properties. And yes, we want to see the horizontal grid lines. I want it in points, and I want the interval to be 1 point. So I want to see how far 1 point is right now when I'm future trading live, because the market is very volatile. So I want to make sure that I'm not risking too much. I'm not actually doing this to see how much I can make. I'm doing this to make sure that I do not risk too much, because look how 1 point is nowhere. Right now, these markets are very volatile, which is exactly why I'm so heavy right now in the market, because I only need a couple points. And you can make some, hey, you only need a couple points. You know what you're doing. But the market is crazy today. I can't even see my other key entry point line because we rallied so crucial yesterday. I mean, oh my goodness, if I squeeze it down, if y'all can see, I mean, look at the lines because of that crazy rally from yesterday. Look at yesterday from one can't each. Look how it just, man, look at this. Woo. But look at that breakout pullback entry right there. Oh man, if you took that in my community, or if you know about how we trade, if you took this breakout pullback right here, look at that. That's like you could have got in at 68.50 and rolled it up to 69.30, 80 points. Yeah, 80 points, y'all. Key entry point levels is something serious. All right, so we're above both levels, obviously, so the bias is long, people. We are looking for a long. When this market opens in a minute. But here's the problem. I see two legs up. Can y'all see it? Here's leg one, trend up. You get a trend break and then retest a new high. Here's leg two. We've had a clear trend up, trend break, retest a new high. That is a complete market cycle. There's a good chance we're going to come down. This is a wifey trade right here. That's a red, green, red developing. And we could easily actually come back down and test this key entry level again, which is 9 points lower. Tough call right here. All right, but look at your friend, the 21 EMA. What is it doing? It is currently sideways. Hard to tell, but it is. Let me get this off. Look at the EMA. So this sideways action is actually happening right through there and right here. Is it gonna break through? That's the question. Put a little color on this. This looks weird to me because I don't normally trade with these lines, but I wanted to just show. Whoa, did we open? Yeah, we did. All right. So yeah, let's see what's gonna happen with the little blue shade here. Our bias is long. That is a nice low push up, higher low. Oh, signal candle dudded out. I'm good. Patience is gonna be the game. We don't want to have to risk a lot. Need some rough waters here. So I got time to check to see if I'm all locked and loaded. All right. Account. Contract set. All right. ATM strategy set. Okay. So now we just have to wait to see where we're going to go. Right now, see, we're in this range, and it's important to just be patient when here we go. Gotta let the market, give you something. Now, we still didn't break out this range, but at least we're above the 21 EMA right now. So I would love to see, here's a low. if this candle can't come back under here, it will start to develop a higher low. Now, here's a low right here. It's a couple ones. Here's a low. We got low, that one higher, that one higher. So we're kind of making higher lows, right? And then this candle's gonna tell us a lot because it stayed under 20 in May, all right? So again, we're just ranging. Right now we're ranging. We're at the middle. We're in the middle of the range. Range rules would say do nothing, sit on cash right now. We gotta wait for a breakout, which might happen right here. Because we had that low. Look, lower, 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 lower. It's a pretty nice candle. Boom, we out now. Now we need a pullback. Give us a little red down.
Order submitted.
Give us a little red down. And then we get the green up. Breakout pullback entry. It almost look like a wifey too. Push down red. All right, we in. We push up. We have a low, push up, higher low. Like breakout situation happening here. We just need a signal candle. Didn't get it, but I ain't gonna give up yet. The 21 MA is gonna tell the tale. If we can't break back under it, trade is in place. Here's our signal candle. Let me get closer. I do not like the signal candle. I'll be honest. Too much dim. It was a green candle though. If it comes here, we're out. We're in now, folks.
Order filled.
So like I say, we see where a couple points is. You know, a couple points is not that far today. Got the setup. Alright. I'm willing to extremely minimize risk because that's a pretty nice candle. Actually, I'm tripping though. I don't want to lose. Let's see. Got a little too close there. Let this candle close. Then we'll lock up. Alright, now we lock up. I almost messed up right there. Alright, we're out of risk. Whatever happens, happens. I don't like it. This candle could save us. This candle could save us. If it closes strong, break higher, trap them. Break higher, breakout, 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 wifey, breakout. Red, green, red. I mean, excuse me, green, red, green. I'm tripping. Push.
Stop filled.
I didn't like it. Did not like it. Maybe I should have stayed back, but didn't like it. Yeah. Oh, I should have stayed back. Yeah. Yep. Man, I just locked in just a tad too tough too. I mean, it got me to the tick, didn't it? I do believe it got me to the tick, y'all. Yeah. So that's my fault. You know, I didn't do. That's on me. Good call. We've went up to 40, 69, 48. There's this app called Khaleesi, and it was like, well, no, we still might drop though. I still wouldn't take that deal. Never mind. It was like if we're gonna close above 69.25 today, it was a 3x deal. I thought about taking that. I might should have took it. I knew the bites was low. Let's see what's going on here. Trucking. I should be done for the day. Whoa, goodness, man. That might have been it. Now it's dangerous time, cause, phew, was that an all-time new high it just made? So, what pattern do we have here? All right, that's the first entry. So, because we had a high right here, this is a push down. See that first entry attempt? Boom. But whoa, do you guys see the rejection on that candle? It's major rejection. This candle just did not break higher. Okay. I'm going to tell you what this is making. I see a high push down, lower high developing with a nice red candle. That's going to be a signal candle break lower. But that's a risky endeavor and a nice little rallying market like so. Boom. Here we go. We're finna truck, people. Why did I not jump in? Because we were too far away from the 21 MA. Look, this is 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's 3 points. Easy. 4 points easy. Risk. And I missed my big, I had my big shot of the day. Obviously, we're watching it happen. And so, this was a shaky setup. It was not, wasn't clean at all. This candle just was awesome. I definitely thought about taking it because it was just an awesome candle. But 1, 2, yeah, I'll be up 3 points right now. But still, the setup wasn't clean, it wasn't good. But here you go. So look, check this out though, guys. Check this out. Let's look now that we have broken out. Look at this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trend we got going on, my friends. Let's box that up. Oh, she's pretty. Oh, she's pretty, y'all. All right, let's put some color on it. I don't normally trade like this, but since this is a situation, I guess we're teaching today. Oh yeah, it's right there, y'all. She right there. So what we gonna do? This is how we gonna hit her. All right, it's beauty too. So anything that come down here and touch, and then bounce back green, go time. Here we go. Show you how to ride the wave. All right, boom, strong candle, right? Everybody's thinking go short. Don't do that.
Order submitted.
All right, bam, we done went low, y'all. Okay, I need at least one green though, and then another red. Yeah, it's a doji. Yeah, we're gonna see what this one do. All right, we're getting a nice strong pullback. So people, for my traders, for those who know my cycle, this is a trend up. This is a clear trend break happening. All right. I'm going to catch the second entry to the reload. That's your first entry. That was tempting, y'all. But no, don't go yet. Don't go yet. We need one more pullback. One more pullback. All right, now we in business because here's a high. Push down. Lower high. Ow, ow. Come on, push back. Oh, we gonna get it, y'all. We gonna get it. Push down, first entry. Push down. We about to get a very nice second entry long, y'all. This is gonna be like a center of the pattern second entry long. Like this is kind of like that second entry long that it doesn't come around a whole lot. We're either gonna get that or we're gonna get a low, higher, low. Oh, low, higher, low. You sneaky boy. This thing is messing me up.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right. See if this thing gonna rock with us. If it's gonna rock with us. Trap. They trap. Center of the pattern. We break higher, they out. Yeah, they trap. Center of the pattern. This thing could run. Whoo, man. Let's see if we can get 20. I mean, we could go back and measure that other move that we should already been in, but I'm intrigued to see. Gotta lock in two, y'all. Cannot not lock in two here. It's just the way it is. Already had a pretty rough day here. Either we, catch this or not. All right, let's go. All right, come on, let's keep it trucking. Center of the pattern. This should be an awesome run here. To go and keep this day. Gonna finish this day up nice for us too. We made a mistake. I don't want to calculate what I should have made today. Well, I look at it that way. I didn't make it, right? Learn from the mistake of the day, and we just, be thankful that we caught this. Praise y'all. Close higher, close up, great close, lock in more profit. Now we run, now we trail. See if we can get one more push.
Stop filled.
Great trading day. So we'll end the day with a $2,000 profit. You saw the whole day. You saw what could have been, but hey, I made a mistake. It's okay, but you don't panic. You stay calm, and hey, again, our key entry level is where it's at. We just boxed up, used the 21 EMA to box up the current market. We waited for the breakout. Here was the breakout pullback. Bam, you go right there. This was the awesome entry of the day right there. And then I don't even think I went right there. Where did I go? I went somewhere. I don't remember. I don't want to think about it. I don't want to look at it right now. Y'all know why. But there you go. That's the IOTS protocol, man. That's really just good price action trading right there. That was really solid price action trading, which is what I do. This is what I teach. Better chart reading.